I push buttons for expression. I push buttons for inspiration. I push buttons to inspire other people. And, I push buttons just to share my expressions through beats. Buttons are beats, and beats are life, that heartbeat. That's the first drum. So it's like when you pushing buttons and making beats, it's literally the universal language, tapping into that music, which is the universal language. But beats are even more universal than music with words, because with beats there's no language barrier. So it touches all four corners of the planet, and everyone can vibe with the beats.